Gardening 101.
Good morning. I want to show you this garden tool set that my daughter gave me for my birthday. It's a nice bag. It comes in my favorite color, Verde, and it comes with a water bottle and several different tools that you use for gardening. It also has Verde gloves, you guys, and I need those. This is a pruning tool right here. The bag is very convenient to carry the tools and the seeds, anything you might need while you're gardening. I also got a lot of herb seeds, you guys, and you know how I love herbs. I will be planting some today, and I will be planting something every day until I plant all the seeds. As you can see, there are a lot of herb seeds, but my choice of today is, you guess. Put it in the comment box below and guess. You guessed it right. My choice of today is cilantro, you guys. And I love me some cilantro. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the seeds back in here. Put them inside my bag so I will know where everything is. There are so many compartments on this gardening bag, you guys. And the only thing I have to do is pick it up and carry it out to the garden. Like I said, it's such a convenience. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pot right here, put my gloves on, and then we're going to plant some cilantro seeds, you guys. I have two different pots, so I'm going to take some of this soil out of this pot and put them in another pot. Such an easy task. It's not a lot when it comes to gardening, as long as you keep everything watered. Now here is my compost that I made months ago, and I'm going to blend it in with the other soil. You know, the compost helps the fruit grow, and it also helps the food taste better. I'm going to add some water. Yes, I'm using my green Verde spray bottle, baby. Now I started out putting some holes inside of the soil for the seeds, but I'm just going to sprinkle the seeds out, baby. When I see cilantro, it's in bunches, so I'm going to sprinkle the seeds out and see how this will work. Maybe on the next one I'll use less seeds, but here we go. I'm going to put some compost on top of it to cover the seeds up. I can't stress how much good compost does when it comes to gardening. And for the ones that don't know, compost is fruit and vegetables broke down inside of soil. So yeah, I have enough seeds for 4 planter buckets, you guys. So I'm gonna have a lot of cilantro, and I'll be back. You know I'm coming back tomorrow. Peace.